our floor show for this evening. We hope you enjoy yourselves as much as we enjoy entertaining for you. How about a fine hand for our hardworking Malamalama Youth for Christ? How about a fine hand for me? If you like our show, tell your friends about it. If you don't, ladies, please do me a favor and keep it to yourself. Okay, our last and final farewell. To all of you. God bless.
Aftai. Ayo neya fiafi. Sumayo. Afengainga. Awona ya tua. Olato fotua. Mas se for tudo mais eu já não faz tanto o patasi neya fiafi. Mato te batuai dengan fasta jele ya to. Chala amai matato supaya patasi nei famomoi. Once again, I would like to give you our sincere thanks from the bottom of our hearts for your donations, for everything that you have given to us tonight, so we can continue to support our ministry. May God bless you all and forevermore. Have a nice evening, and I hope you enjoy. But let's close this evening in a prayer before we leave. Let us pray.